You guys, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D. And today we're actually back with a lock update. So you guys know that we are currently under quarantine. So I'm about to get my locks together and give you guys a quick update. If I keep looking down, that's because I'm looking into my mirror. You guys can see right there where all the fingerprints. As I stated, I am 8 months into my lock journey. It has been 4 months since my last update, so I decided to get a little up close and personal. If you haven't noticed that this side is very lockish and this side is still very much starter lockish, and that's because I am instant locking my hair today.
What?
Ooh. And I decided to grow out my sides. So it has been about 3 weeks since my last haircut. This is all the new growth. I got some curls coming in. My children are now calling my name. They're about to come. You want a snack. So now we're back. So as I was saying, I am currently growing out my sides and I will be adding lock extensions. So within the next 2 to 3 months, my sides should be long enough to install lock extensions. Now, I am hoping that within the next 3 months, we can get this whole corona thing under control, okay? So I could go to a professional, Coco, yeah. So she could do it for me. But the way this corona is set up, I don't think that's going to happen, bruh. Worst case scenario, I will be installing my own lock extensions. But hopefully, that is not what's going to happen. So let's talk about this hair. What is going on? I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering, what is my hair type? I don't really understand all that type A, type C, type B, type D, type D. I don't really get into all that hair type. If I was to put myself in that category, I would definitely put myself in the type 4 category. I have more of a coarse texture, which is the ideal texture for locks, some will say. So I am semi-free form. So what that means is I don't retwist my hair often. I might get a retwist once every 3 months. At the longest, 3 months at the longest. I really like my new growth to be nice and wild, if you couldn't tell. So you guys remember my last update, my locks were extremely puffy and fluffy and stuffy and crazy. There was a lot of frizz and everything. So you could definitely see there is a huge difference since my last update. This will be my 3rd time recording this video. In the first attempt, I did do a little manipulating to my locks just to speed up the locking process. If you guys watch my how to reduce lock frizz video, I do share a technique that has been circulating around Instagram for some time now. This is how my hair looked after using that technique the 2nd time, and it did help reduce some of that lock frizz. So you can see budding throughout the entire lock now, as you can see. So some of my ends are still, but most of them are not. As you can see, majority of them are kind of just doing their own thing. Maintenance, let's talk about maintenance. I'm still doing the same thing. I wash my hair every week. I oil my hair, I would say every other day, every 2 days or so, depending how dry or irritated my scalp may be with me. You know, it have a mind of its own. Leave-in conditioner, I actually do that every day because it just feels good. There's really not much happening with my locks after you get the first bud. Just the same cycle over and over again. More budding, less frizz, more budding, less frizz. And that's all that's happening here. You know, they're getting a little limp, you know, touching my ear. I could almost put them all in a ponytail. So we're getting there. We're definitely getting there. That's all I can say. Come on, focus on me. I am going to cheat a little bit and insta-lock my hair. And this is how I feel about this, okay? Because I know a lot of people, we have, you know, the lock community like going up and down when it comes to this. But this is how I feel. I thugged it out for 8 months straight. Hair all over the place. We're not even going to call it the ugly stage. We're just going to call it the stage, the dislike stage, okay? I went through the dislike stage like a champ. So if I want to cheat a little bit, I feel like I deserve that. What Mama D said she deserved, I deserve my locks to hang down low, and so I can swing them. Yes, swing them, because I got plans. Boosie is still going live, and I still got a chance to get up there. I'm trying to swing my dreads. Yes. Yes, like a merry-go-round. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my lock update. Nothing has changed within this last 4 months, besides the fact that there is a more button and less frizz. I can't wait to show you guys what my hair is looking like within the next 4 months. But yeah, let's get into this Lock real quick. I'm going to try to get this side like this side by the end of the day, hopefully, because this is very time consuming.